Hello everyone, welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you demonstration for Office cab booking project in Spring Boot and JSP. Okay, so if you have already bought this application and then the configuration at your machine from the code one team, then it is okay. Or if you are like looking for this project, you can just connect us over the WhatsApp or Skype. We'll do the complete setup, and this is a paid project. So when you connect, they will share the complete process with you. So we will do the complete setup at your machine as well as the database and source code. And after that, you need to follow this demo in order to execute the application. So at the very first step, what you need to do, this is our Eclipse ID tool, and the tool you need is MySQL workbench. So we have MySQL here. In this MySQL, we have a tables like database table. So we have a user table wallet, and these are the tables available here. To run the Spring Boot server, just right click on this application, this file of this cab application. We'll go to run it as a Java application. And yeah, when you see project like this, so you can open it and go to the first package and the TBS and run this file. So when you check the console here, and the console, the port number 9090 is running, it means your server is running. After that, you need to open this application.property file under resources folder. And when you open this, you will find this dummy URL. So just copy this URL and open your browser, enter this URL. You will see the welcome page, and this is our welcome page. And now let's check the demonstration, how the things are working, how can you register and operate this application. So there are different users, like multiple users are there. So if you want to check data of any tables here, right click on the table, select the first option, you will able to see the data over there. And after that, we have tables here. In these tables, we have login credential, login username, password. So three users are there, three different users are there who's going to interact with the application. The first one is the admin, driver, and the user. So let's log in as an admin first and check what admin can do, and then we'll move to the other user. So first, if you want to register into the application, so we have a two registration form. First one is for a driver registration. So driver just need to enter this basic details and you can register, and users, so the end customer also we need to add some fields and we can register. Now, if I go to the login page, and I'm going to log in as an admin now, and let's see what admin can do here. So I just enter the username, I enter the password, and when I hit the login button, you can see there are different things for admin. We have a user list, so admin can search the users. Admin can perform delete operation. Admin can like if you want delete any record, you can delete by this clicking. So currently we have one user into the database. That's why I'm showing one record. If you add more, it will be display more. So driver list here. So into this driver list, we have list of all the drivers that is registered into the application, and there is kind of a status thing. So if you want to confirm any driver after registration, so we can just check on this and we can confirm it. Like the process will be, when you, the driver who's going to register into the application, the admin will have the rights to confirm that. We'll see in a while that feature as well. Apart from that, we have a cab, add cab brand. So let's say some new brand is XYZ brand is there, so we have added that brand, and his sales chain is added successfully. It means the record is added into successfully into the database. So we have cab brand list here. So recently we have added this XYZ and by the admin user. If I delete this record, any record of this table, I can check this and click on delete. It will record the data. It will delete the data. Now, here we have a next option to add cab details. So here we can select like driver one or driver two. So two drivers are there, and we need to assign those cabs to a driver. So let's say I want to assign this to driver two, and the brand, let's say XYZ that we have added. Here we need to enter the taxi number and taxi name and the taxi number. Let's say I just entering some random number from to destination. Okay, it will be in integer. So let's say the kilometer, let's say 20 kilometer per kilometer charge. Let's say 16. Enter minimum charge 200. And here we need to upload an image of the taxi. So for a demonstration, I'm just uploading this image. You can upload a real image for this. Let me go with this one. So make sure while you uploading PNG and GPG should be there. So when I add it as a successfully, it means the taxi is added successfully now. Under the cab list, I can check the newly added that my cab is displaying over here. If I want to delete and make any modification, I can do by clicking on this. History. Under the history section, admin can check the bookings and all. Currently, there is no bookings, so there is no uh, record into this page. So I'm going to running another instance in my private window, and here we are going to log in as a driver. So we'll see what driver can do and what is the connection between driver and admin user. So I'm going to log in as a driver one. So I think this is the username, right? And here we have a password. When I hit the login button over here, you can see we have a home page and assigned cape and the booking cape. Recently, one cape we have assigned it to a driver that might be a driver two. So just log in as a driver two and check how the assignments work over there. Sorry, this is the login and this is the password. When I hit the login button and go to the cape assign, so recently we have assigned this cape to this driver too, and it's coming here. So driver can check the assigned caps over there and view bookings in case of any booking by the customer. Okay, let's create another private tip and run it as a user. So we can log in as a user as well. And okay, it's incognito, so we have other browsers. Let me log in here. So in this Edge browser, we are going to log in as a user and see what user can do. So this is a user test. I'm going to log in with this as a password. Oh, it's added now. Okay, so as a user, as a customer, I can say the availability, view availability. So we have recently added this taxi over here, this cab, and to now this cab is showing into the available section. So admin can add multiple cabs over there that all will display over here. We have search option by prompt to do according to the location. And customer can go and click on the book now and just the user need to enter the some basic detail, the booking date. Let's say I want to do it on today. Let's say 26 2024. Pick up time. Let's say I'm going to enter 2 p.m. 4 p.m. Yeah. And you can see the price is automatically calculating according to the inputs that is added by the admin. And now we are showing the total charges as a 500 rupees. So click on the book and you can see the booking added successfully. It means the booking is done. Now if I go, other options we have as a user, we have wallet, so we can save the card details over there. And my wallet balance, like here currently showing 753. So when you will update the user, you will add the card number. Let's say I'm going to add the card number 05 2059. Add money, let's say I want to add 5,000. Click on the save. So money will be added in your wallet. So if I check my balance is multiplied by 5,000. Okay. So if we have wallet balance facility and the bookings, and also this wallet balance will be deducted if you book any cabs over there. So this is the bookings, and you have paid 500 for this. So this is the users that user can see. Apart from that, the user can like do this. User can do this update the profile. For other users also we have this facility, and user can register as a new user as well. So these features are also there. From the admin side, admin, this is the admin user. So admin can manage all the caps and brands and the driver list and assign to things to the driver. Let's say if I want to assign to this user some services, there might be an edit. Okay, Here, if new user will register, let's say I'm going to register as a new user, that user will be displayed over there, and we can confirm that user. Let me show you the features quickly. So here into my Edge browser, I'm going to register as a new driver. So I go to driver section and I just fill the detail as a new driver at the rate gmail.com. I just did a password as a demo at the rate 123 and some random first name, last name, city, the mobile number, and we will do the select gender, service level mail, address, license number is the important thing over there. So just we have added license in some combination. Click on the register. So driver registered successfully. Now this driver doesn't get the like this driver. Now let's log in with this user and see what the features is showing. So we are going to log in with this user. So it say wait for the admin to approve you. So what admin needs to do to approve the user? I will go here into my on which page we are on the driver list side. So this is the not approved user, so it's showing crosshair. So what I need to do as admin, I need to check this. I need to click on the confirm. Now if I go here and I trying to log in, I can log in. So assign cape and view bookings will be displayed over here for me. And for this driver 2 user as well, what things we have assigned cape that is done now because it's log out. Just let me log in. Okay, we have it driver. Driver 2. So okay, assign cape and the view bookings. So we have one booking for this user, so it's showing over here. So these are all the features and functionality of Office Cape booking project in Spring Boot and JSP. Um, for a technical purpose, we are using tools like Eclipse, MySQL, and we are using Spring Boot to manage the backend for the front ends using JSP, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. And it's following MVC architecture, it's a Maven project using Tomcat. So the deployment is done over the local host. And there are too many technical things that's using Lombok and controller service layers are there. So just check the link in the description box for more detail about the technical purpose. And if you want the source code, please connect us over the Skype or WhatsApp. We will do the complete help you to set up the project at your machine. We have a team that's going to help you, that they are going to connect with you via Skype or WhatsApp or Meet or any desk, and they will do the setup at your machine. So thank you so much for watching.